Alright gang, these are the dogs that are left living from the mass kill day today on September 6, 2024, Friday. The apathy and indifference of this place is just over the top. You can't even begin to understand how much these people don't give a shit about anything. So Potato is still alive, Cobb, Gunner, Cornbread, Sourdough, Jalapeno, Star, Leo. Let's go to photos. I'll just show you the sadistic nature of these people. These dogs didn't need to die, but they wanted to kill them because that's what they thoroughly enjoy doing, is killing dogs and cats. So these three were lucky to get out, Maggie, Callie, and Echo. They killed Lightning. Toby seems to be alive. They killed Crenshaw, Shelly, Mark, and Moki. Beautiful dogs. Dogs that would have been adopted, but they chose to kill them. This is what sadists do. People that hide behind all the money they get from the government. Sapphire killed. Nugget killed. Blossom killed. Chef and Wedge killed. And these ones are tagged. Here's a dog that looks just like, see, Potato looks like Nugget that they just killed. I hope he gets out. These are the ones that are just getting posted now. This is Frosted Flakes. This is Kix. I hope it's just a puppy, but these people kill puppies, and they are proud of it. Here's Turkey. I'm just floored, you know. Would they kill another 20 dogs today? They just don't give a shit. And these are the ones that we know about, gang. We don't know about what else goes on at shady shithole. Here's Cookie Crisp. Here's Cocoa Pebble. And here's the ones that were struggling to get adopted also. Beautiful dogs. Here's Applejack. Corn Pop. Fruity Pebble. Fruit Loop. Tricks. Ham. Tank. Jameson. Espresso. Latte. Here's that horrible day. Well, every day at Apple Valley is a horrible day. I'm gonna see if I can find that story on Fiona. Just absolutely horrific. These are sick people. Here's Sprite, Muffin, pending euthanasia Sourdough. Here's 4 little puppies. See, these ones we don't find out about. They're very secretive. They do not want you knowing what goes on. They don't want you knowing who gets killed and who they're gonna kill. They don't want you knowing that. Here's Jalapeno, he's on the kill list. Pasta, I hope he gets out alive. Pits are like hard to get adopted. Here's Beautiful Little Taco, smiling eyes. Here's Nesquik, another handsome guy. I'm on another laptop that's extremely slow. PETA. Cobb. Potato pending euthanasia. I wonder if they killed him. Here's Brioche. Blueberry croissant. This is a beautiful dog, truly. And here's another 10 puppies they're gonna kill. Who does that? Who gets a job where you kill animals for a living? You know? Why don't you just get on the phone and work them and get them adopted? But you're not willing to do that because it's the path of work. That's the path of resistance. These are what are called path of least resistance people. Whatever's easy for them, whatever can get them back to loading their faces with food. Lazy. Here's more kills. Now we're going pretty far back. Oh, here's Cola, Spirit. Another sick day of killing. Multigrain. Here's Bagel. Macaroni pending adoption. Let me see if I can find this. Hang on. My keyboard's worn out. You gotta tear the whole thing apart to get to it. Let me see if I can find this real quick. I may not be able to. This laptop is so slow. Hang on. So just bear with me. Oh, let's see. That's this. Here's what I want to show you. This dog. I try to just focus on one or two shelters. Oh, he's been rescued. How cool is that? This is at Downey. Look at this guy. I mean, what a just incredible, beautiful German Shepherd. Anyway, hey, good news. He's rescued. So, okay. We don't need to study him now. Let me see if I can find that story on Fiona. I may not be able to find it. This computer's super slow. Let me show you this. I used to rescue dogs out of New Mexico, and I worked with these bullies, and they didn't like men, and 300-pound women that hated men. It was just absolutely hilarious. Look at that numbers here. Well, 291 animals were euthanized. Unbelievable. Talk about just don't give a shit. You know? Let's see, hang on. Yeah, just 291 killed in 1 month. And I used to rescue dogs out of here. But the people in the rescue I work with, they just did not like males. So, hey, whatever. Screw them, right? I can help another rescue out. Let's see if we can find, I want to see if I can find that story on little Fiona. Yeah, rescuing is not a very, how do you say, most of the time it's bad news. In fact, the majority of the time it's bad news, because people just don't give a shit. It's apathy, indifference. You know, the average person, all they give a shit about is eating, you know, sex, cable TV, smoking cigarettes, drugging up. I mean, people have no depth. They have no soul. You know, that's just how it is. God, I wonder where this is. I've got to find this. Yeah, I may not be able to find it. I'll have to have it queued up so it's easier for you guys to see it. I wanted to really show it. It's about that little dog Fiona and how it was such a happy, joyous, loving dog, but the sadists just drug him off to be killed because that's what they do. Yeah, that's what they do. So we'll go back to a couple dogs here. We're at 9 minutes, so this is going to be overnight to post. When I get back on the other laptop, it might improve, it might not. Here's some Banana, Rye, and Pumpernickel. They'd like to have a home. Let's see. Here's Caprese, Caesar, Leo, This one, Star, I believe they killed him. Beautiful dog. Well, okay, gang, we're not gonna get anywhere if I'm just posting dead dogs. Adopted toast. Yeah. Ugh. God damn. You know, if people gave a shit, this wouldn't be happening. You know, but bottom line, people don't give a shit. And they're just chasing money and bullshit. They don't give a shit about, you know, creatures that would like to live. You know. End of your life, it all comes back to you. I really believe that. All the ugliness that you put out in this life, end of your life, it all comes back. I've just watched karma too many times just take out demonic people. So, okay, we're getting way too far back here. So those are dogs I want to focus on to spread awareness about. God, look at that. What a beautiful little German Shepherd, huh? Everything. Alright, gang. Hope you're sharing my posts and being made aware of what the hell's going on in this miserable place. And yeah, it needs to change. It needs to change everywhere, but especially here. This is just, they don't have enough dogs to just randomly kill. They kill because they choose to kill. This is not overcrowding. This isn't Lebensraum. This is just, we like to kill, and that's what we do. So, alright, gang, 11 minutes 33. I'm going to say overnight it takes for this to post. Catch you on next YouTube.